Well, the Lok Sabha that has now been adjourned, Sindai, there has been no debate on the other pressing issues that actually required a debate, and one of those issues was that of pollution, rising air pollution. As far as when it comes to this debate, that had wanted when it comes to the parliamentarians and their time on this, because this has been a pressing issue. The government has been maintaining that they are ready to discuss each and every issue that the opposition raises. On part of the opposition too, Rahul Gandhi had raked up the issue of rising air pollution, and he had also requested and appealed the government that they stand with the government in terms of any help if that is required from the opposition side, and they are ready to support the government on this. But Pragya, what happened to the pollution debate? We were all waiting for that to happen.
Well, Amita, in fact, the government is blaming opposition for particularly this episode. And in fact, they're saying that if you are very serious about the pollution debate, you should not have created ruckus. And this goes for opposition as well. While the government acceded to their demands of debate on pollution, of also sending one bill to JPC. Also, there are many demands, as far as debate on the electoral reforms were concerned, government acceded to their demand. But they also saw the behavior of opposition MPs whenever the kind of debate that they wanted to do, and also on the bills, opposition started creating ruckus. This was unacceptable to the government, and therefore the speaker took the decision that this time we are not going to, be blackmailed by you. As far as the smooth functioning of the parliament and house is concerned, this is not done. It is very important debate, and if you have known the importance of this particular debate, you should have not created ruckus. You should not have done the misconduct in the house, the kind of misconduct that we saw during the G Ramji bill. Many of the MPs stood on the tables and many tore the bills. It actually hurt, that was the kind of hurt that speaker felt. And then he said that this is not going to happen now. We have, because it was an important issue and everyone wanted to participate in that, speak on that. And in fact, Union Minister for Environment, Mr. Bhupendra Yadav, was in fact ready to give a reply on that. But looking at the behavior of the opposition, they decided that it is best not to, accede to any of the demands of the opposition now.
All right. Well, as far as the government is of the opinion that the matter could have been taken up, but it was constant disruptions and adjournments on part of the opposition when it was taking up the matter of the G Ramji bill yesterday in the Lok Sabha. The debate couldn't have happened. But as far as these disruptions are concerned,